Hi, this is Mrs. Smith, and I wanted to give you a brief tutorial about our online catalog, Destiny. If you go to destiny.pike.k12.in.us, that will take you to our website. Once you're there, click over here to Pike High School. There is a home page where it is linked to the databases, so you can just click on those from there if you need to. And once we're there, we're going to go to the catalog, and once we go to the catalog, you'll see that we have different sections. Recently added books, popular titles, ebooks. You can browse by topic. There are two different varieties of interactive ebooks, and so you can go up here to. Once you're in here, you can go up to this toolbar and type in your topic. Type in genocide, and you can see that it pulls up these different books. If the book is available, it will say in. If it's not, it will say out. If it's something you're interested in, click on that, and it will bring up the summary where you can take a look and find out if it's something that you think might be helpful for your research project. I close out the details, and I go up here to filter this. I can see that I do have a digital book, Encyclopedia of War Crimes and Genocide, Dictionary of Genocide. I am going to open this one. I can click on it, and that's going to take me to this screen, and it's just like a book. It's on our device, and you can use this from your phones as well. There are apps in the App Store and the Google Play Store, and you can see that this opens up. We can dismiss this, and I'm going to. There's our book. I'm going to take a look at the pages on the inside. There's an arrow off to the side where I can look. I can go to my table of contents. I can enlarge this. I can use it just like I would a regular book, but you can check it out online, totally do it online, and then once you're done, you can click it to check it back in. Please feel free to come to the Media Center either on the high school side or in the freshman center if you need any help as you move along in the research process. Thank you.